Good morning. We are out here in Toronto today. We're going to be doing a Pondless Waterfall with some tough access here, but nothing we can't handle. So this is our one access point. We got some plywood that we're going to be building ramps. Get up here. Nice little tight access here. Come through this gate. And Thomas is super excited for today. This is 6 ton of rocks, and they got to go up there.
3 ton.
It's 3 ton. I lied. Dang it, it's 3 ton of rocks. We're gonna be connecting this all together, and it's gonna be one. Good morning. We are out here in Toronto today. Hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend. We are a little farther away from home today. Going to be doing a Pondless Waterfall with some tough access here, but nothing we can't handle. I will turn you guys around and show you what we're up against today. So this is our one access point. Got Evan today. Who else? And we got some plywood that we're going to be building ramps. Get up here. Nice little tight access here. Come through this gate. And all the way through the back here. Up these steps. Down these steps. And here is our location of our Pondless Waterfall. As you can see, there's a pond here right now. So we're going to be backfilling this hole. We're going to be starting the Pondless Waterfall up there. It's going to be pushing and winding its way down into here. We're going to be removing this little deck piece. Cut it something like that. And then she has some beautiful driftwood in here already. So we're going to be trying to use that in the new feature. And then also a beautiful setting back here. Backyard is gorgeous. And then we got all these trees that she started growing a little while ago. So they're going to be filling in this area, disguising some of our edges and whatnot, which makes everything look even better. So that's what we're up against. We got about 6 yards of soil coming back here today and about 3 to 4 ton of stone. So that's our challenge for today. And then tomorrow will be the building part. So wish us luck. Alright, things are progressing slowly but surely here. You can see we removed this little deck piece in there. That's this pile of wood. We got our aqua blocks laid out in our pump vault there. We just got to paint the pump vault, dig that out, and then that's ready for the fabric liner fabric. And then we can start bringing our rocks back here, finish off our soil around here, backfill, and then our stream, which will be starting up there, and wind its way down, drop into there, and recirculate. So it's a lot of hauling, soil and everything else, but it's gonna turn out amazing. Good morning, guys. We are doing a story today because the job is super simple. We have a lot of rock to move, so I will show you that and I'll turn you guys around. So we have our hole here and we got a liner and stuff right there. Then we have our place for all our rocks. And the pathway to get the rocks here is this. And it's really exciting because it just keeps on getting better. There's some nice stairs we gotta do right there. We got a nice pathway here going down here, and Thomas is super excited for today. This is 6 ton of rocks, and they gotta go up there.
3 ton.
It's 3 ton. I lied. Dang it, it's 3 ton of rocks. Good morning, guys. Evan hijacked my phone there for a sec, and he was showing you guys where we're putting all the stone and all the stone that's coming back here. I just wanted to show you what we did yesterday. We backfilled the hole here. You can see that big pile of liner and fabric there. We have 3 aqua blocks or water storage molecules under there, and then a pump vault as well. After we get all the rock back here, we're going to be carving out the first shelf and then starting to set up our rocks, and then we're going to be starting somewhere up there. So we're going to run down into there and just recirculate. We also have to backfill this area, which probably won't be today. That'll probably be tomorrow. And yeah, so that's what we have going on back here. And first things first, get the 3 ton of rock back here. Good morning, guys. Day 3 on this project. We got most of our heavy lifting done yesterday with bringing all the rock back and 3 more yards of soil back yesterday. Today we're hoping to get some more of this waterfall built. You can see behind me it started. There's a piece of wood lying over the front of it, so you don't really see too much. But yeah, that's kind of the plan for today. Hopefully we can get everything in and running, so tomorrow we can have a bit of cleanup and finish up. Yeah, that's the plan for today, so enjoy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are just finishing up here in Toronto. It's about Thursday at 1 o'clock. It turned out super cool. Yeah, it's quite the feat getting about 5,500 pound of rock back here and about 8 yards of soil, all through wheelbarrows and ball carts and pieces of fabric, hauling it all around. So pretty happy with how this turned out, and pretty proud of Evan and myself for yeah, getting all the material back here and making this look spectacular. So I'm going to turn you guys around and show you what we created in the past couple days. So there is our 8-foot stream and waterfall. All these windows here, viewpoints from the house. Little step here into the garden area, little flagstone pathway. She's probably going to put a bench there. Just going to plant all this up. As you can see, she does love gardening, so I'm sure she's going to make this look amazing. These pieces of driftwood were here already and they worked out amazingly. Our first waterfall is a little piece of driftwood and the limestone, and just kind of connects there and splits over the spot there. There's a light under here. This rock here is super cool. It's got all kinds of holes in it with the water disappearing into there. We work up to our second shelf here. Little offshoot waterfall right there. And that's where our spillway is located, behind the driftwood. You never see that. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think.